glad to introduce the high-power vacuum cleaner, VC635 TU. This is a multi-purpose machine with high power, high suction, and high efficiency for your home care scenario. In coming few minutes, we would like to tell you the much feature and some real application of VC635. First thing we want to tell you is the amazing 3D nozzle. It can be rotate and tilting upward and downward for multi-angle adjustment, which greatly increase visibility of use. It allows you easily to vacuum some hard-to-reach area and suitable for home DIY operation. VC635 has a unique blower design with different accessories. It can be easily to remove the dust that general handheld vacuum cleaner cannot be handled. The new centrifugal technology of VC635. Through this technology, dust and dirt will be separated from the airstream. As the result, the vacuum cleaner can maintain the strongest suction all the time. VC635 also has easy disposal design. It only needs few steps for waste disposal. VC635 comes with original mini power brush combined with double filtration system, include one layer of washable HEPA filter. It can easily remove crude up to several millions of dust mites and their droppings which hidden in the mattress and sofa, efficiently against pollen, mold spores, pet dander, and other allergens. VC635 comes with multifunctional accessories. It includes hose, crevice condenser, crevice, brush, extensible crevice, floor nozzle, carpet brush, and power brush.